How to log into US Bank credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into US Bank credit card account. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for US Bank credit card login. And after you do that, here you'll find the US Bank website, that is creditcard.usbank.com. Head over to that website and let it load. Now this website can take some time to load, so just wait for it. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. It also depends on the internet speed. So yeah, after that, simply type in your username here, whatever your username is, and then your password. After you type in your password, simply tap on login to log in into your account. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.